Let's say you have a critical but tricky procedure that must be followed throughout your global operation. You have vendors in China, plants in Portland and Philadelphia, offices in Seoul, Stuttgart, and Cairo. So far, you have relied on emails and memos, but there are clear differences in the way they are applied in different locations. Is it language? Is it local preference? Are the memos just unclear? Whatever the reason, you have a problem. In today's global economy, ideas are conceptualized, written, translated, interpreted, and applied with little certainty as to how close an original form the final message will be. It only takes a single break in the complex information chain to cause massive and possibly irreparable damage, and it requires time, energy, and money to fix the mistake. This communications problem is similar to the one the shipping industry had a few decades ago. Boxes and bales of goods were lost every day as the result of being packed and repacked, loaded and unloaded over a dozen different ports and in a dozen different ways. But all this changed when the world started shipping goods in standard containers. When goods are sealed in containers, they remain completely protected until they reach their destination. So is there any way to containerize industrial knowledge? A visual image doesn't rely on language to communicate. A visual instructive movie is a universal message. With internet video, a child in Canada can learn to skin a potato from a man in Japan without understanding Japanese. When we make our knowledge more visual and embed it in the movie, it's like sealing the knowledge in a virtual shipping container. Watch as an online training video teaches printer maintenance in English, German, and even Chinese. The same video segment is used in all three versions, and it carries most of the message. The words are largely secondary. Our global economy is on the verge of an information revolution that will be as profound as the one that transformed goods transportation. As global communicators, we should be eager to exploit video's container-like properties. That means we should be eagerly looking for ways to add visual and video content to our current message traffic. Fortunately, IPOV is aggressively developing the methods, techniques, and equipment to handle this new type of information cargo.